Interest rates have reached their highest point in decades with no relief in sight. How are the rising rates impacting the housing market here in the Bay Area? I'm Sean Engmann, a Bay Area Realtor, and what I'm seeing is a more balanced market with pros and cons for both buyers and sellers. It's important to understand the context in which rates have skyrocketed to really get the right flavor for what the impact is on the current market. Rates have rocketed up to these levels less than 2 years after sitting at historic lows. The rapid ascent has had a profound impact on the market for a few reasons. First, many homeowners refinanced to those historically low rates, and unless they have external factors at play, they have little interest in trading in those rates for decades high rates by selling their homes. Second, many buyers who would have ordinarily been due to upgrade their home now or in the next few years jumped at the prospect back when rates were lower. With those buyers satisfied, demand, particularly at higher price points, has dried up. For first-time buyers trying to enter the market, they face several challenges. Affordability is the primary challenge, but so is increased competition from other buyers who may have been looking at other higher price points if rates were lower. Some sellers at higher price points have seen their days on market increase as well, but the bottom line is that inventory remains way down, and despite the reductions in demand, there are still more buyers than sellers. Tight inventory has kept home prices up throughout the Bay Area, and across the Bay Area counties, the 9 of them, the median home price for single-family homes sits 32% above where it was pre-pandemic and is only off about 12% from the peak of the market in April 2022. Perhaps more tellingly, year-over-year prices are rising again, with this September's median price coming in 5% above last September's, despite rates being nearly 3/4 of a point higher this year. On the ground, we're seeing a seller's market driven by lower inventory, but one with many more opportunities for buyers. At entry-level price points throughout the Bay Area, it's still very common to see offer deadlines set in multiple offer situations. The difference is that we're seeing 4 to 5 offers on homes now, where we might have seen 25 plus offers during the peak of the market. For sellers, preparing the home and pricing it well is very important because there are fewer buyers around, and buyers that are around are very discerning now. Homes priced above the market are needing to course correct very quickly, and houses that are a little rougher around the edges are having more difficulty selling. Navigating this environment properly is important for buyers and sellers, and I'll go into more depth about how to deal with higher rates as a buyer and as a seller in some other videos. One thing is pretty clear though, we're in a new normal as there isn't any relief in sight from rates. A balanced market brings less competition for buyers, but the pendulum of power has not completely shifted away from sellers just yet and is unlikely to do so unless there's an influx of new inventory. Thanks a lot for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.